How to uninstall Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove this application. First of all, navigate to the place where it is located. Now, simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you'll be able to see this eye icon. Tap on this eye icon. So here, we're in this app info. Here you can customize and make different changes to the app. Here on the bottom, there's an option called uninstall. Simply tap on uninstall. Now make sure that you want to remove the app, so you can even save all of your ID and password for later, because if you reinstall it, you might need it. Now after confirming it, simply tap on OK. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the app is completely gone from my mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.